Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Cumbor 2-pack Baby Gate, a Mom's Choice Awards winner designed to keep your little ones and pets safe with its patented double-lock safety release. This versatile gate is perfect for staircases and doorways, featuring a convenient walk-through design with a 23.6-inch wide gap, making it easy to pass through even when carrying your child. Standing at 30.5 inches tall and adjustable from 29.7 to 40.6 inches in width, it fits a variety of spaces, and its durable steel construction can withstand impacts of up to 150 N, ensuring it stays securely in place. Installation is a breeze with its simple pressure mounting system that requires no tools and takes just 10 minutes, making it ideal for busy parents. Plus, Cumbor offers a range of customizable options and accessories to fit your specific needs, whether you prefer pressure or drill installations. With 2 gates included in this package, you can secure multiple areas of your home with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and safety tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.